Good morning, Price Point Forex traders. It is 7:27, Friday, March 12th. New York time. I want to show you something here. British pound, US dollar, 15-minute chart. Price came up to our red price point early in the session and has worked its way down 125 pips. We have a 20-period ATR of 108. We've already gone over that. It came low enough that whoever had a trade set here to go short for a breakout trade is now in loss. As well, whoever got in to this trade anywhere down here and has been carrying up their stop to this point, right in here, their stop's been taken out. Price came up and has interacted with this line that we put on our chart earlier this week. As you can see, price has interacted with that line several times on the 1-hour chart. My expectation for today is price is going to come back down, test these lows, maybe right here, which is 1.38864, or price will come further down to 1.38699. So that is a 17 pip difference. We're going to watch this trade. I'm going to set an order right about here. So we set our stop loss at 12 pips, and we're expecting price to come back 88 pips. Now, I'm not saying it's going to come down here and enter these orders, but there's a good chance. Our stop loss is 6 pips, almost 7 pips below our price point. So let's see what happens. Okay, now if it comes down close and doesn't enter our order, I'm going to manually put this trade on. So I'm keeping an eye on this, and I will be back. I'm back, traders. It's 7:54 right now. The euro, US dollar. Let me point out yesterday's video. When we were here, I told you I thought price was going to come up here. Look what happened. Now, we made money coming down to this point, and it stopped and came right up to our price point. If you recall, I told you the blue price point is always an approximation. I mean, all price points are, but the blue price point more so. Now, let's look what's going on here. We had a break through our red price point and through our blue moving average price point. My expectation is price is going to come down and test right here in this area. So I am putting an order, a buy limit order. I've set my stop loss below this area because if it goes down, it's most likely going to come to our blue price point or further. Right now, we're working towards our black moving average price point. My take profit is up here above this price point. So to make 38 pips, we're risking 14. Very doable. Let's see what our GU is doing. We're still hanging around this segmented line. Let's see what happens, guys. Anything can happen in trading. I'll be back. I'm back, traders. I want to point out something to you, traders. It's 8:18 right now. We put these trades on for the GU almost an hour ago, and about 25 minutes ago, roughly 25 minutes ago, for our EU trade. Now, I'm trying to keep it real here. I'm itching to get into a trade. I'm no different than you. And I'm seeing some setup here on the EU that is being held in this area. Okay, that our blue moving average price point was broken through and they retested. And they may very well start banging around in here or shoot up to this area before engaging us in a trade. Now, if that happens, I'm going to respond at that time. Okay, I'm not going to force a trade. I'm going to wait to see what happens. Take a look at what's happening, guys. Right here. Indecision. Okay, they're right above this area here. And they haven't decided to break up into the next consolidation zone. They're still working here. Okay, now, I'm really itching to get into a trade. I have to be honest. But there's no decision here. There's indecision. And I know from experience, if I get in the trade too soon, there's a good chance it's going to shoot back and hit my entry point. Then I'm at a loss. Okay, because I would enter here and I would get rid of this trade. Now take a look. It's going long. I'm going to evaluate what happens once it stops. The pound US is moving long also, but take a look. Price point right here and the moving average price point right above it. This could be a move long before short. I'm not getting hasty. I'm going to watch the market for signals. I'll be back. All right, traders, look at these rats. I mean, it touched my entry order and pulled away on the euro US dollar and pretty darn close on our pound US dollar. I'm going to sit on my hands and wait. We have 7 more minutes in this candle. Let's see what's going to happen before I get in too soon. I'll be back. I'm back and our candle just changed. We are in between our moving average price point and our red price point line. As you can see, like I spoke earlier, they did not trigger our orders. The pound came down very close, has not triggered our order. We don't know what's happening here, guys. The Aussie US is right at a price point. The US CAD hit a price point and pulled away, broke the low of yesterday. And the US yen is heading towards a blue price point. Okay, so we have US strength, relatively no strength. Same here. Same here. And right here too. I'm making a judgment call here. Price did not have enough push to push down through here. We're taking off our orders first so we don't get into double orders. And we're going into buy orders. I think price has made its move short for the day. Here's our stop loss. We're going to put our stop loss below here. So we have a 16 pip stop loss. I'm expecting price to make it up at least to here. On this one here, we have a 22 pip stop loss. And I believe price, we had a big move today on this pair, is going to come back to here, 71 pips. As always, we're going to continue to evaluate these trades. I'll be back. All right, we're in both trades now like we just saw. And we're not looking too good, guys, on the pound. Not so bad on the EU. But we set our stop losses strategically. Let's see if it gets hit. If it does, we reevaluate. No big deal. Just another loss, something to get back. Funny thing is, I should have listened to what I said earlier and not jumped into this trade. Perfect example of what happens. Experience, my friends. We need to listen to it. We need to think with our brains. Remember what's happened in the past. I thought things were starting to turn. Perhaps I was a little too eager. Apparently, I was a little too eager. But, you know, this is trading. And like I pointed out yesterday, it's 9:16. It's the Wild West time. 9 to 9:30. The half hours before the markets open for each exchange is the Wild Wild West. Let's see how it plays out, guys. It's early in the day. The session hasn't even started yet. Okay? Not worried. Not happy, but not worried. I'll be back. We just had a full stop on our pound, and it's still coming down a little bit further. I'm still not buying this move. Okay? I think they're just triggering over here and they're going to pull away. I'm long again. I should have held off earlier and been more strategic. But I'm not losing today. Going to do my best not to. So we're long again on the pound US dollar and we're still okay on the euro US dollar. We haven't hit our stop loss yet. We're still messing around with the price point. I trust my price points. Okay, let's see what happens. We're going to play this out, guys. So we're about a minute into our next candle, and as expected, the price point held and it's going long. On the GU, let's hope it continues. On the EU, we closed above our moving average price point and our entry point, and we did not come down and trigger our stop loss. So far, we're in decent condition. We're down about 22 pips on the day. I think it closed out when it jumped 22 pips. I'm not sure exactly what the stop loss was. And right now, we got about 15 of it back. Okay? This is trading. Sometimes it's a nail biter, guys. Other times not. Today is somewhere in between. I'll be back. Okay, it looks like something's happening now. 10:27, end of the candle, shooting down, took out our euro. Okay, let's reassess. We're not looking too good right now, guys, but we're going to get this back. I'll be back. 19 seconds left. Look, just what I thought. A false move. Let's go long. Putting our stop loss below, right here. 19 pips away. This is coming back. It's been going down all day, guys. Come on. Our GJ is bouncing its head over here between some price points. Let's get long on this too. Gonna make back some money, guys. Stop loss down here, 17 pips away. Take profit up at 50. 44 pips away. Let's see if we can make back some money, guys. GJ's looking the same. Struggling with the price point. We're in long on that too. If they come down, I don't think they're going to come down further than this. 26 pips away. Up to our price point, possibly 52 pips. We are in it to win it, guys. In it to win it. So far, hasn't been a great day. But it will be. You watch. Okay, guys, it's decision time. With 39 pips in, we're down 38 pips on the day. We're going to be banging our head around here for a while. I'm in for the trades. I've assessed the risk. I'm willing to go for it. I'm not going to be greedy, though. If price runs into my price points, I'm going to get out of these trades. I'll be back. All right, our candle just closed. We are in profit on the pound yen. A couple pips up. We're being held up by these price points as expected. The GU closed right on the price point. I'm expecting further upside action. All right, look, I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to put my take profit at 54 pips. Let's see if it comes and tests in here, takes out whatever stops are in this area, and reacts with this price point. EU. We got held up on our black moving average price point. Like I had said, we're not going to be greedy. We're going to take what the market's offering. 40 pips right here. We're below this area. EJ. EJ, we're going to put just above the highs. 35 pips. And our GJ, we already have set, but we're not going to be greedy with this either. We're coming down to 44 pips. I believe all these are doable. I'm going to wait this out. Let's see what happens. Okay, traders, I closed out our trades. Okay, all of our trades, this is, as you can see, custom period today. This is today's trades, and we finished with $804. So we made back, after being down 38 pips, we made back over 80. I'm saying over 80 because we traded the two cross pairs, pound yen and the euro yen. So we made more than 1 pip per $10. This, my friends, is what it's like trading with price points and understanding market behavior. Blessed trading, my friends. This is it for the week. I will be posting all the price points once again on Sunday night. I want you to see I don't shift my price points around. Price points work, my friends. Have a great weekend. If you would like to learn how to trade using price points in conjunction with price action, go to www.pricepointtrading.com. If you enjoyed the video and learned something, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any friends that trade, let them know about us. It is our goal to help traders level the playing field and make money with the market maker.